Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, let's discuss about the attendance import feature in Horilla. So the attendance import feature can be very useful at times like if you have lost the data, we'll be able to bring back the data from the backup files, or if you have marked the attendance any external sheet and all, and if we want to enter that data into our database, we can make use of this import feature in Horilla. So for that, let's go to the attendance module and we can go to the attendances. In the attendances, we can view the different sections of attendance, that is attendance to validate, overtime attendances and validated attendances. So from here, we'll be able to import the attendances with the import option under actions over here. So we can click on actions and select import. And when we click on import, it will be asked whether we want to download the template. So if you want to download the template, we can download the template and add in all the datas into that template and upload the template. So for now, I'm not downloading the template. So let me choose a file. This is a file I'm going to import. So we have different attendance information of different employees. So we have provided the batch ID of the employee over here, and then we have the shift, work type, attendance date, check-in time, check-out date, and check-out time, and then we have the worked hour and minimum hour. So we have provided all these details to import the attendance. So let's go back and we have to choose a file. So let's click on choose file and I'm selecting the file and let's click on upload. So we can see that the attendance import successful and attendance was successfully imported. So here all the attendances that we have imported will be available in the attendance to validate section over here. So we have the attendance that we have imported. So these are the attendances we have imported, and we can validate the attendance from here. And once we validate the attendance, it will be in the validated attendances section over here. So like this, we'll be able to import the attendances into Horilla. So hope it is clear and thank you for watching.